Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to install Java JDK 24 on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open any browser, search for Java JDK and open the link from oracle.com. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. And here we have the download page. Java 24 is the latest Java SE development kit. Here simply click on JDK 24, select your operating system, and here simply download the installer file. Here you can see it is downloading. It is around 200 MB, so let me complete the download. Once downloaded, simply open the installer file. So here we have the installation window. Let me minimize the browser. Click on Next. Here we have an option to change the default Java installation location. If you want to change it, you can simply click on Change button and browse the location. But I'll suggest you to keep it default. Then click on Next and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, simply close the setup window. Now we have to set up the Java environment variable. For that, simply open File Explorer, click on this PC, open the C drive. Here look for Programs files, simply open it and look for Java folder. Inside Java folder, you will find the JDK folder, open it and open the bin folder. Now copy this path. After that, here on the search option, search for environment variable. So here we have edit the system environment variable option. Simply click on it. Then click on environment variables option. Here we have two variables. One is user variable and system variable. Under system variable, look for path. Select it, then click on edit. Now here click on new and paste the bin folder path. After that, click on OK, then click on OK. Here click on OK. We have successfully set up environment variable for Java. Now to verify it, you can simply open command prompt. For that, here search for cmd, open command prompt. Here you have to run a few commands. To check the Java installation version, simply type Java space --version. As you can see, we have installed Java 24. Also, you will get other information like Java SE runtime environment build number and Java hotspot 64-bit server VM build number. Now to check whether Java compiler is working or not, you can simply type Java C. If you get bunch of statements like this, that means Java compiler is working on your system. Now you are ready to do programming in Java. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.